Welcome back to ParkCrowds.com. This video is going to focus on the AI aspect of the application. There's AI in the background, running to actually tune the model for crowd levels, but you can also interact with it. So there's a button here called Ask AI where you can fire that up right on the screen. There's another Ask AI page, but it's the same AI, so it's really just a couple ways to get there. Here's some predefined questions in case, just to give you an idea of what the types of questions you can ask. You can also type your own question in here. So I'll pick one of the predefined ones, and then I'll also type in one. What's the least busy park this Saturday? So it's looking through its prediction data and going to give you an idea. And you could also ask, at a particular park or at a particular, resort. So it's the saying that assuming you're asking about Walt Disney World, which you can see here that it told you which parks are the least busy and avoid Animal Kingdom. And then, are you visiting Disneyland? California, just let me know and I'll pull those for you. So, what about Disneyland? And it'll search the database for the Disneyland numbers as well. And then, another real example I have, we're going on a trip, Disneyland Resort Parks, and which one's the busiest and that kind of thing. You can also ask about specific rides. What about um, Pirates of the Caribbean attraction? And it'll give you an idea what's going on with that particular ride as well. And again, I have another example where we're going to be going to Disney World in June, but we get there late when we fly in, but we have a ticket for that day because just the way the things worked out with buying the tickets. So I want to know which park is least busy the night we get there. So it's actually focusing on just the evening and that kind of thing. So I could say, which park at Disney World, Walt Disney World, is slowest for the evening. So we'll look at just the evening dates or times of June 27th or whatever day you're going to be going. It's just an example. And it'll search the prediction database. You can also look back in time. I'm not sure, when and why you might want to do that, but it does have all the data for back in time. It goes back several years of data as well. So you can see here that it's saying the crowd levels for the different parks on that evening, so you can know which one you want to kind of spend your time at, and that kind of thing. A few additional notes here. Epcot ties on average with a wait 28 minutes, but closes at 9. So it lets you kind of know, like, be careful of which one you want to go to if they're closing early or staying open late. So that way you can factor that into your decision as well. So just an example of how you use the AI.